All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, information about stocks, different information on credit cards, best interest rates, all kinds of information on finance. Today, we're going to be talking about SOL Solana. It has moved into the top 10. It's got over a 217% increase in the last 6 weeks. It's actually higher than the top 10. I think it's at number 8 right now. What's going on? Why is it happening? How did it bust into the top 10? They're talking about Ethereum, you better look out. ADA, you better look out. So we want to definitely be on the cutting edge of what's going on when the top 10's moving up and down and stuff like that. So don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So today we're going to dig into a little bit about Solana, what's going on with everything. So with that, let's jump on over. All right, so we're going to go right here. It says the uplifting event assisted the SOL USD exchange rate to rise to a record high. This was again on Friday to $84.96. That is up 218% in a 6-week trading. So with that, over here, Solana, SOL, the Ethereum ETH rival, claims the fame. With the project market cap strongly standing at $21.1 billion, says the Solana has just got it started. Here's a look at the technology behind this revolutionary project and the factor that contributed to its recent success. So we're going to try to dig into this. It's been going on. I know it was up 76% like a week ago. It busted into the top 10, so we definitely want to pay attention to this. It says almost a year and a half after its launch in March of 2020, Solana SOL token made its way into the top 10 cryptocurrency, allowing the price to surge, here you go, 72% and hitting an all-time high of 81.81 in the past week. With this project's market cap currently standing at $21.1 billion, says the Solana has just got it started. Here's a look at the technology behind the revolutionary project and the factors that contribute to the recent success. It says Solana's first victory came in a form of unpredicted ability to solve the blockchain's problem that has haunted the developers since the early days of the blockchain technology. It basically states that among the 3 factors of decentralization, scalability, and security, a blockchain network must sacrifice one properly and implement for the other 2. So what they're saying is out of the 3 things, 2 of them are going to be strong, but you're kind of giving up a little bit on the 1. Well, Solana is the 4th generation blockchain network that seems to have found a solution to this problem. It is one of the only web-scaled blockchains network that managed to achieve throughput of a 50,000 TPS, with the testnet solving the issues of scalability without layering 2 solutions. Additionally, Solana combines with the proof of stake (POS) mechanism with 8 core technologies like POH (proof of history), Tower BFT, Turbine, Gulfstream, sea-level pipeline, Cloudbreak, and achieved to ensure unparalleled levels of decentralization with security within the network. This robust infrastructure means that Solana could be to the go platform for the next generation of DApps, decentralized applications, because it eliminates the problems like network congestion, high gas fees, and a lack of scalability. This is further established by the fact that Margo Markets, a DEF powered by Solana, managed to raise $70 million in crowdfunding last week. With that, let's head over to the top 10. All right, we're over here at the top 10. Bitcoin is at 48,545. It's actually down about 2.76% in the last 7 days. Ethereum is actually at 3210 a coin. It's actually down 1.83% in the last 7 days, 1.9%. Cardano, which has moved into number 3, is actually trading at $2.87 a coin right now. It's actually up 2.46%. Binance Coin, which dropped from number 3 to number 4 about a week and a half ago, it's trading at $477, about 7 cents. It's actually up about 4.8% in the last 7 days. Tethers trading at $1. XRP is actually down about 8.97%, trading at about $1.14. The Dogecoin is at 28 cents, down 10%. Here we are at number 8. Solana SOL. I mean, it's busted into the top 10. Now it's at number 8, the 8th cryptocurrency in the world right now. And it's actually up Yeah, that's why we're doing this video. It's up 33.99%, almost 34% in the last 7 days. In the last 24 hours, it's up 3%. USD coin is at number 9. Polkadot is at number 10, down about 9.74%. Uniswap is at number 11, and there's that Bitcoin at $655. Let's not forget that all the information on the channel is for educational purposes only. We're trying to help educate everybody on what's going on in cryptocurrency. I always kind of like to mention that my vision of every single person having cryptocurrency in their possession in the future. Like right now, if you went up and talked to 30 or 40 people, let's say you talked to 40 people and you asked them, not if they knew about cryptocurrency, not if they heard of Bitcoin or Ethereum or ADA, but do they own any? And probably out of 40, what, 3 or 4 people own, I mean, a very small percentage of people own cryptocurrency. My vision is I can't wait to every single person on the planet has cryptocurrency. And they're at the kitchen table, or they're at the lunchroom, or they're at the college, and they're talking about, XRP is what I have. My favorite one is Dogecoin. You know what? I mined Ethereum. I like Ethereum. You know what? My reward credit card by BlockFi, I've actually just got $100 in rewards in Bitcoin. Isn't it going to be amazing as we go through this journey and over the months and over the years, and we talk about this, and we get more people aware of what's going on in cryptocurrency? I mean, we hear all kinds of things about AMC is going to be accepting a cryptocurrency by the end of the year. We know Burger King in Brazil basically is accepting, they're selling dog purrs, which are basically little dog biscuits, and you can buy them in Dogecoin over in Brazil. I mean, it's just absolutely bonkers of what's going on in the cryptocurrency thing. So I do appreciate you guys staying tuned to the channel. We're going to do this journey together. We're going to have a great time learning together. A lot of us are going to become very wealthy with cryptocurrency. Again, educational purposes only. That's right. Can you believe the NFT? Someone bought an NFT on a free clip art rock for over 1.3 million. The Ether, a collection of 100 cartoon rocks, are based on a free clip art, a breakout phenomenon, and stakes just got even higher. 3 weeks ago, a 4-year-old NFT project called Ether Rock suddenly went viral, sending prices skyrocketing. The premise is simple: 100 images of the same cartoon, each tinted slightly different colors. There's the rock right there that sold for 1.3 million. But it says right here, last night, Ether Rock number 42, a reddish brown of the same clip art, sold for over 400 ETHs, or over 1.3 million on Tether. I mean, this is absolutely crazy that people are buying NFTs of rocks at $1.3 million. So with that, I mean, again, Solana is up 218% in the last 6 weeks. I mean, that's even nuts, but the price now is almost $100. It's at $98 and change. We're definitely covering that. ADA, we've been talking about that. Don't forget to like our video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. We're going to bring you all kinds of news every single day at 1 o'clock. And thank you for checking in, and you have a wonderful day.